Stop wasting time and money trying to root branches the wrong way. If you've been struggling to get your lemon, orange, mango, or even maple branches to take root, today is the day that changes. In this video, I'm going to show you a foolproof technique that works every time without spending a dime. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll be able to root any branch successfully. Today, I'm excited to teach you a simple yet powerful technique that will finally help you root any branch. No more failed attempts. Make sure to watch every step closely because these tips will completely transform how you propagate plants. If you've been on the verge of giving up, thinking it's impossible to root your cuttings, this method is for you. I've already separated a few branches to demonstrate. Whether you're a beginner or just haven't had success yet, this step-by-step process will make all the difference. Now let's talk about the two key components you need for this technique. First, you'll need soil. You can use any type of multi-purpose soil, but it's important that it contains no fertilizer. Next, we have our secret weapon, sand. That's right, simple sand is a game changer for successful rooting. Now mix 50% soil and 50% sand in a container. Stir it thoroughly until it's well blended. Once it looks even and consistent, it's ready for use. Next, take a plastic bottle, cut it in half and poke some drainage holes at the bottom. Fill it with the soil sand mix we just made. Now we're ready to start planting our branches. Before placing your cuttings in the mix, here's a crucial tip. Always cut the bottom of the branch diagonally. This increases the surface area for water absorption, making it much easier for the branch to root. This is a game-changing secret that many people overlook. If you're trying to root mint, rosemary, willow, maple, forsythia, or even citrus trees, this method works like magic. It prevents dehydration and gives your branches the best chance to grow strong roots. If you're not planting your cuttings immediately, keep them submerged in water to prevent them from drying out. This small step makes a huge difference in success rates. Once all the cuttings are pushed in place in the soil of the plastic bottles, it's time to water them thoroughly. But how do you care for them after planting? You'll need to water twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening. The soil should never dry out. Keep watering until you see excess water draining from the bottom holes. How long will it take for roots to form? It depends on the plant, but usually roots develop within 30 to 120 days. Patience is key, but trust me, the results are worth it. Take a look at these branches I rooted using this exact method. See how strong and healthy they are? This technique works like a charm every single time. With this simple soil and sand mix, you can root almost any plant without spending a cent. So if you've been struggling, start using this method today and you'll finally see success. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with fellow plant lovers. And if you're not subscribed yet, do it now and let us know where you are watching from. Thanks for watching, take care, and happy planting. And see you in the next video on Pour This on Your Peppers and watch them explode with growth.